for the times they're trying to hold us back. Times they're trying to hold us back.